What an average day.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Well, you need to drink something. Here, drink some medicine.
Okay. Oh my god, this is so gross! I'd rather have grape medicine than this. Take it back, bro. Here.
You need to drink it all. Just keep drinking.
No!
You won't even take.
I don't care.
Drink it all now.
Oh, it's a bunker. That's so cool. Let me just. Oh my god. Yeah. And yes, I opened it. Alright, let's get in now. Yippee! Alright, he's never gonna find me now.
Huh? Where is he? Oh, well, he's gone.
Yes, he didn't find me. Well, I'm okay.